according to the character and personality. He's so much more than that. So I think it's not the best. You know, he is incredibly majestic, ancient, and also nature. Some of our classic Universal picture cars here on the left. I'd get out of camera if I were you. Knight Rider, Magnum PI, Cars from the Back, the future movies. Let's go back in time to the Flintstones. Those are the first environmentally friendly cars, all foot powered, invented by Elon Tusk. Thank you. Thank you very much. Harry Potter next to the Too Fast, Too Furious Nissan Skyline. We got the Mercedes Jeep next to the Gyrosphere. Gyrosphere had the glass added digitally because otherwise it reflects the camera. That's no fun. And we got Transformers. Now that's a Paramount franchise. They did shoot on our back lot. They do have an attraction in our theme park. We just like working with them, guys. What can they say? E.T., what's he peddling besides bicycles? Anyone remember? Reese's Pieces, you guys. The sales went up 60% in 2 weeks in theaters. Like that Margaritaville in the Jurassic World movie. Jimmy Buffett double-fisting margaritas running away from dinosaurs. Here we are, back off the coast of Costa Rica. Surrounded by set pieces, vehicles, props from the Jurassic franchise. The mobile lab on the left, seen in the Lost World Jurassic Park. It's mostly plywood. It's painted to look like real metal. This makes it lighter weight, cheaper. You can see the paint chipping now, but as long as we have this offset, we should be... Oh my goodness! Oh no! Spitters in the bushes! So sorry.
That's the second time I've been spit on by dinosaurs this tour. My mouth was open again. Is my mouth always open?
I am sorry. I've been trying to train him to just hit the people wearing Disney merch, you know, but I'm not as good as Chris Pratt. What can I say? You might know David Boreanaz better for his role on Bones alongside Emily Deschanel. Let's take a look at an episode they shot right in this soundstage. This is meant to look like a hot set. Hot set means active set. We're really filming out here. So we got the camera rig, the lights, and of course it is a very elaborate San Francisco subway station set. The BART system, not the... Oh. Folks, we're getting a little California tremor, I do believe. Stay seated, stay calm. We get these all the time now. Oh my goodness, okay, not this is it. So sorry, not my fault. San Andreas' fault, technically. As long as the roof doesn't come down, I think we should be fine. Hold on, is that the roof coming? That's not good. What do we do? Hold on, game over. Wait, what? Something. Can't control it. Stay on tap. Trouble.
It's a sequel. Let's get out of here, Jose. Quickly, Jose. Before they realize they have to pee. Oh boy. Universalize, you just survived Earthquake, the big one. You did great back there. Well done. I do that 3-4 times a day. I freak out every time, honestly. So, way to keep it very chill back there.
I think it's in the gas line. Yeah, that's probably. There he goes. He's the most famous part of our backlog tour. That's Bruce, the mechanical shark. He's the only shark in the world that knows how to swim the backstroke. He's very professional, very well behaved. Next up is one of the most historic locations on our lot. From 1960, this is the Bates Motel. This is where, oh, that's him. That's not the Bates. I didn't know he was going to be here. We're not really supposed to. What is he doing? Oh, that doesn't look good. Well, as long as he doesn't. Hey, Norman, listen, we're leaving. We're just leaving, actually, is what we're doing. We're just passing through, giving a tour, looking at the studio. Hey, say hi to your mom for me, okay? All right, bye. Love you.
You learned a lot from Hitchcock, like don't show your bad guys. Check the top left-hand window, the Psycho house up there. You can see Mother, a rare viewing. You almost never see her in the movie, right? Just like you almost never see the shark in Jaws, or never see the aliens in War of the Worlds. Based to the book by H.G. Wells, the radio play by Orson Welles, all about an alien invasion. Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning come out of their suburban basement. A real empty 747 has landed there, giving us a gruesome look at the alien attack without seeing a single alien on screen. That is a real plane on the left. 60 grand to buy it from a junkyard, 200 grand to get it shipped here, an almost $300,000 set, used for less than 4 minutes of the final film.
So we're going to treat you to a little something now that we call Fast and Furious Supercharged. There's a party going on inside the garage here. That's where we're headed. Before we get to the party, my friend Roman Pierce wants to talk to everyone. They've been having some trouble lately with a fellow named Owen Shaw. So Roman just wants to check in. He wants to make sure all of you know what's up. After we hear what he has to say, we'll go to this party for a little bit, and then we'll wrap up the tour. So that's...
I don't know if you need to.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn the music off!
Why is he in the actor? What's going on? Where did Roman go?
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of...
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure, traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
They're sending us to the secret floor of that parking structure way left. Now, hopefully, we can just hide out and stay quiet for a little bit. And if you still have those 3D glasses, you should put those on right now. The 3D glasses will serve as protective island, just in case things get wild in here.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come to the left. We're moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness to record the call in a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you, you asshole?
Don't think you're getting away!
Way to go, Letty. Don't find another missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Roman, don't shoot. Head over the bridge. Under construction. Everybody, hit the nitrous.